Okay, right. What we have here is we already wrong the, you know, like to put the wrong on the back of the, you know, I'm gonna turn it up for you to see, but anyhow, basically it's upside down, so that wrong would be here, right? And what we do is, you know, we have the people so they know how it mounts up. You know, if you're looking, keep looking. Right. So you have an idea. You know, so it's not magic. Simple. Elementary. Right? Nice. And how you would get it, you know, you just take it like this here. And you put it on top here. Right? Because, you know, up and you know, I don't have a pencil, so anyhow, I just take this scraper here because it's just the idea of where I want to cut it off, right? And you know, I can just put a line because when I get the pencil, I put it on it, right? In other words, right? And then I would I'll try and do it right here. Somehow, anyhow, people, as I always try to explain to people, this is just another way to do things, right? Because I can do it other ways, but I always try to show the man who doesn't have the idea of all these tools, and you know, somebody's going to give you the idea that, ooh, it cannot be done without all these jigs and all these things. That is for people who know that has its purpose, but in a shop, when we, you know, in an art woodwork shop, you know, some of the things, you know, we have marking gauge and everything, but you know, look at, put a little line here, put a little line here, and you can use a 10 and saw. You can use a 10 and saw, so I'll just do this quickly here, you know. You know. Ooh. This is not how they will teach you, but sometimes I don't have time for all these jigs, and then I'm not making these things every single day. So you know, I just had to try and, you know, this is somebody, I just helping somebody with this right here. Right? Yep. Right? And the idea of using your hands is good, right? So this is actually the way they will show it, yes? And yep. So this is what I go inside here. Now I leave this a little tight for people to understand. Right? Now this here is tight like this, and meaning that, you know, I cut it a little bigger because I'm not happy. But long ago, you took a chisel, right? Up. Working in a congested space here, so, right? You take a chisel and you put the, you know, and that's just in case something was a little too big. Right? You take a chisel and you clean it out. Right? Now I'm doing this because you can stay here, right? And you listen to put it in my hand here with it, because that is no. So even if I mess, you know, that's something with the hand too. So even if you know, if I no, makes no sense. Right? Right? And you take the chisel, right? So no matter how many times you miss, you don't damage yourself. Right? And the idea is going to be cutting nice and smooth, and this is mahogany from the Caribbean. And if you look at the grains I will show you in another video, you're going to see how they work all sides. So it's, you know, neither here nor there, but I leave this with a little, so that people can get an idea. If you had to use a chisel, right? This chisel is not even so sharp. This is a functional workshop where all the chisels is really sharp all the time, because I might have been just using it on something else. Anyhow, right. I know it have to take out more of it, right? Because if you want it to, you know. So if you notice now as we're going down, you see I have to take out a little more here and take out a little more here. But if I go through all that, on the video. It will take me about 5 minutes to make sure it's fitting, and you wouldn't have the idea. And then it will take me too long to upload, because I'm not live as yet. But anyhow, you see, so you have the idea that you just clean out here and here, right? And it goes in, right? And this would be the leg, and this would be the side rail, right? And then you have this piece, what, you know, right, you know, and you wrong it with your hands, which I'm going to show you. You can have machinery that will give you that. If you don't have the machinery, right, how are we going to function? So, you know, right, so I will continue with this and we building this bed here. Some people say, oh, I guess I forget things.